Ira Epstein with your morning flash update. Now, putting this out early on this Friday morning, September 2nd, 2022 at 8 a.m. Central Time. And the reason is we had the jobs data report. Why not take a look at it? Because it's quite important. So let's go to it right now. And here we are. The monthly non-farms payroll, 315,000. Now, there were some estimates, 318. No, I was saying 298 was the estimate, so that's a bigger number. You'll say, well, why did the August unemployment rate only actually go up instead of down? Well, the reason is a number that's not here. They played around with the June numbers. They revised the July number to 526 from 528,000, but they took down 100,000 in the June number. I don't know how far back the government goes back to fudge all these numbers, but they do. So the public will say, the Fed is on the right track, unemployment going up, and that is good. Is it? I'm still seeing the hourly rates go up 10 cents. I'm looking at labor force participation grow. It's a strong jobs report. I mean, I'm listening to the analyst on TV. I'm not buying into it. It's a strong number. It's not a 350,000 number. It doesn't mean that the Fed is locked into a 75 basis point, and certainly a 100 basis point number off this report is off the table, off this report. We get the CPI numbers. They're coming out, I think, around the 13th. This combination with that will be the key. And we've seen prices fall in August. Remember in August, especially in the energy sector quite a bit, but I didn't see that in rents. I didn't see it in a lot of other spots. So I'd be very cautious about what you're doing. We certainly saw grain prices down. So is CPI going to give the Fed a little bit of a respite? Yes. But does this report take the Fed off a 75 basis point hike? On its own, I am in the camp it does not. At 9, we're going to get July factory orders. Eurozone economic data came out beating everything. The producer price is up 4% on the month versus the expected 3%. Year over year, you were at 379 versus, and that's 37.9% increase for the year versus a 37% increase expected. Ex-PPI, that's energy part of it, we're up 0.6 on the month and 15% on the year, but Europe counts on this. Germany's trade surplus, 5.4 billion euros, but that's down 800 euros. 800 billion euros. So that's quite a bit. The head of the UN Atomic Watchdog Agency is on his way to Vienna. We're going to hear tonight what he says. He said that the plant has been compromised. And I'm talking the big Ukrainian reactor plant. And now the question is what to do. It's a completely changing story all the time. He's left a number of his inspectors there. He wants them to stay there because the situation is critical. How critical, we're going to get tonight when he arrives in Vienna. OPEC Plus, on September 5th, they're going to discuss production, guess what? Cuts. And I do expect that they're going to cut. The market, to me, just seems like it's bloated with product at this point in time. And their talk of that has kicked the market back up, but you're no longer in Brent at 102, you're at $93 a barrel. Down rather hard right now in the natural gas, not a surprise. I was getting an indicator over 2 weeks ago that the market looked high. Getting a little bit of a bounce going into the weekend on the grains, and after a big drop yesterday, hard to figure out what there. And now the big question is, what does the public do with this number? Are they going to buy into the stock indices, or is this the selling opportunity? Well, if you get my research, you've already received a special update from me talking about that, and I want to make this clear to you. Now, I start my Labor Day sale. It goes from the 2nd, which is today, to the 6th. Any of my research products that you decide to purchase, that's any of the different products that I have, you get 50% off. You want to buy a 1-year product, you're getting 50% off. You want to buy a 1-month product, 50% off. It is not for my courses. It is just for the research, and it's only for new and returning members. This does not apply if you're an existing subscriber. I'm not out to take your subscription down. You get special benefits when I issue courses, as you know, and I've got another one coming up, and that's where your benefits will come in. So how do you get this? Go to our website at www.iraepstein.com. under the word research, or you can follow my finger, go up to the top here. It'll take you right up to the area you need to be. Sign up. This isn't going to last very long. Take advantage of it. The season is on you. I've already put out special updates this morning. You didn't get it. I'm Ira Epstein. You have a great weekend. I'll see you all over the Labor Day weekend with our market reviews, our market wrap-ups. I don't know if it'll be tonight or tomorrow, but I'll get them done at that point over the weekend. You take care.